How to manage work-related stress. Let me power you within. Hi, kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share with you 3 tips on mindfulness. Stress is something we all experience to varying degrees. Some of us deal with it very well, and some of us deal with it terribly. Sometimes your behaviors will show stress, your body, your mind, your spirit. Sometimes you may be someone who drinks every day or have some kind of unhealthy addiction. So here are 3 tips to managing stress through mindfulness. Number 1, when you are working, stop and ask yourself, how are you feeling? If you are not aware of it, you may be rambling or worse, shooting bullets at work all day long. With that awareness, add breath. Breathing exercise takes a few seconds and send a signal to your brain it's okay. You're okay. Take 3 deep breaths, inhale and big exhale, and on the 3rd breath, add 1 more, where you stop your breath between your inhale and exhale for 5 seconds. Number 2, get up from your chair and go somewhere. Take a quick walk outdoors in or near nature ideally. When working from home outside meetings, I work in my outdoor office by a native forest. Birds singing, the smell of French lavender, magic. Don't reply to that email that triggered you until you have taken time out and gone for a walk. When we move, we shift energy and therefore shift our state of mind. Nature is high vibration, resourcing for you. Number 3, drink water, not 1 more coffee. Some of you drink 5 to 7 coffees a day, which is not good for you, or too much Coke, sugary drink, or dare I say energy drinks. Start every morning with a drink of water with a lemon slice if you can. Drinking water means taking space, taking a few seconds for a sip, and that helps break a pattern. Managing stress is not a one-off thing for us all, it's an ongoing journey, so don't skip the school of mindfulness tools, use it on a regular basis. It takes between 21 to 66 days to create a habit, depending on how bad your habits were, or maybe how stubborn you are. Once it has become a daily routine, you'll start managing your stress a lot better. Imagine feeling less stress when working and more at peace, turning your challenges into opportunities.